OAG Select was formed as an offshoot and a standalone offshoot of OAG Mainworks to service our existing customers and their demand for smaller, niche, faster turnaround projects.
The project values within OAG became greater and greater over the years, and the smaller projects were left behind, and the board re-looked at the situation, decided that OAG Select should be born to take on the smaller projects, to keep those guys supported throughout their journeys, the architects, the main contractors, etc.
We're different from the Mainworks division of the business because we are standalone. We have our own designers, our own project managers and a complete independent team.
But we can also pull on the resource from Mainworks as well. Not only have we got our own internal engineers, but we work with some of the top engineers out there in the industry as well, specialising in glass. So we have that whole resource pool to go to.
Our staff have an in-depth knowledge within the glazing industry and with glazing solutions, which makes us flexible and adaptable to our clients' needs.
From receipt of the initial inquiry, our aim is to work closely with our clients, looking at their design intent to bring it to life. This will be from helping them assist setting realistic budgets, at the start drawing on our past experiences of the numerous projects we've carried out in the past.
Much of our strengths lie in being able to work through schemes and provide economic and affordable solutions that is achievable and at the same time meets the design intent.
One of the key points for me enjoying my role so much is the diversity of clients that we deal with.
The majority of our customers are repeat business, so they come to us because they know what they're going to get. They're going to get a service that is, in my opinion, second to none out there, that will deliver. If we say we're going to deliver, then we'll deliver.
Customers should come to OAG Select because we care about our clients. We want our clients to be happy with what we deliver.